What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do a beef tenderloin. I ran out to a local food line just to grab a few things, which I normally never go there. They don't have anything good. But today, miraculously, they had beef tenderloin. I think it was like $10 a pound. Whole thing, 45 bucks, not too bad. So today we're gonna smoke it, and then after that we're gonna sear it on the grill. First thing we need to do though is trim up all the fat because it's a lean piece of meat and you do not want any of this stuff. This tenderloin has, I think they call this the chain, but it's a little piece of meat that kind of hangs off. Some people cut it off and cook it separately. I'm just gonna take some butcher's twine and tie it up to keep it together. You can get butcher twine on Amazon, any butcher shop, anything like that. So if you look right here, you'll see how it's spaced, how it wants to come apart. What we'll do, we'll just lay some twine there. Lay some twine there. All right, and just tie her up. Oh, hi there. So for our next step, we have a special guest, Chloe, and she's gonna put the olive oil on there. This is gonna create a binder to help our seasoning stick. So, Chloe, give it a shot. Good job. All right, on to the next step. So now that Chloe did such a phenomenal job getting the olive oil on there, we're gonna season it up. Now, there's many different ways you can do this. I'm gonna keep it simple. I got this Killer Hogs AP seasoning. It's just salt, pepper, garlic. You can probably make it on your own. I'm sure there's a few other little things in there, but we'll give it a shot. All right, now let's get check it on the smoker. So, we're gonna go ahead and make our fire. Charcoal chimney. Charcoal, or you can use briquettes, any kind you want. This is just what I got laying around. Butcher paper. Butcher paper under the charcoal chimney and get it lit. And in 15 minutes, go grab a drink. It's gonna be a long cook, Chloe. Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
All right, bottoms up. Cheers. All right, we got our charcoal chimney going. The coals are hot, so now we're gonna dump it in the firebox. Sometimes with these smaller cookers, a whole piece of wood will get a little too hot, so if you got a miter saw handy, just chop them in half, it'll work. Now that we've got the coals going, I'm going to put a piece of oak in here. We'll get this fire going. Close her up. Now once you got your fire started, make sure you open up all your vents. Vents to the smokestack, vents to the firebox. I like to just open the whole door. You don't want to choke off the smoke, it makes dirty smoke. Get all that airflow through here. That should get your temps up, you'll be good to go. So the thermometers on the smoker that come with it, I don't really trust them. I've always heard they're off, so to maintain or figure out the temperature at the grate, what I like to do is take an onion, chop it in half, get a digital thermometer, take the probe, stick it through, and then we'll bring it out to the smoker. Alright, so let's get her on. I got the smoker at about 265. Anywhere between 250 and 275 works. Get that on there. Then make sure you get a probe in the thickest part. You definitely want to keep an eye on the temps on something like this, because if it overcooks, you grind tough. Alright, good to go. It's only been about an hour or so. It's cooking kind of fast, but it's hit 130, so we're going to take it off and then we're going to put it to the grill. So I got the grill at, it's almost 450, so we're going to sear it on here. I pulled it off at 130 on smoke. We're going to sit on here until it hits 145, and let it rest until it hits about 145. Let's see what we got. So we're looking to be around 140. We're at 134, almost 135. We'll give her a flip. Ooh, look at that. Alright, let's see where we're at. 139. Oh, God, 142. 131 in the big spot. Alright, I think we're good to take it off and we'll let it rest. Alright guys, it's been resting for about half an hour, so let's see what we got. This is the moment. This is a perfect medium rare, a little bit of pink there in the middle, but not too much. If you like it more well done, then you can just not cook a tenderloin. Just kidding, you can just go ahead and throw it back on the grill. So let's cut a few steaks. There you have it. What I would consider a perfectly cooked beef tenderloin. Let's give her a shot. I would say that's what a tenderloin is supposed to taste like. What do y'all think? Is it Chloe and Alexis approved?
It's so good. That's yummy.
I'll have enough of these. I'm pretty pleased with this cook. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. I do appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and you have a good day.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe and turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.